Animal Discoveries, written by Karen Mockler. Table of Contents, Introduction, page 4, Monkey Mania, Freaky, Fabulous Frogs, Furry Finds, Interesting Invertebrates, Underwater Wonders, Hiding in Plain View, What's Next, and Glossary of New Words. Introduction. If you wanted to find a new animal species, where would you look? You might look in remote corners of the globe. Scientists find more than 15,000 animal species each year. That's only 1% of the more than 1.5 million species we know about already. At the same time, species are dying out at record rates around the globe. For this reason, when we do stumble on a new species, it is an important discovery. Monkey mania. In 2007, a new species of monkey was found in the forests of Central Africa. The lazula has large eyes and is shy and quiet. The first one found by scientists was being kept as a pet. In 2010, scientists found that Caqueta titi monkey by listening to its calls. These monkeys lived in the Amazon jungle. The caqueta is known for its bushy red bird. It doesn't have a wide bar on its forehead as the tai monkeys do, or titi. Its babies burr like cats. Only around 250 caqueta tai monkeys are alive today, meaning the species are endangered. Freaky, Fabulous Frogs. The Mata narrow-mouthed frog is the size of a pea. It was discovered on the island of Borneo in 2010. It turns out that scientists had seen these frogs before. They thought the frogs were the young of a different species. Then they heard the frogs calling. Since only adult frogs make calls, they realized that these tiny frogs must be full-grown. A scientist discovered the long-nosed tree frog in 2010. This frog lived in the Foja Mountains of New Guinea. The area has been called the Lost World. This tree frog is known for its long nose. It is sometimes called the Pinocchio frog. When the male frog calls, its nose points up. When the frog is done calling, its nose falls. No one knows why. Furry finds. Another find during the 2010 Foja Mountains trip was the blossom bat. It uses its long tongue to drink nectar from flowers. During a 2005 trip to Madagascar, researchers found Goodman's mouse lemurs, not much bigger than mice. The tiny lemurs jump around in the trees at night. During the daytime, they sometimes sleep in empty birds' nests. Do you know lemurs are only found in Madagascar? Interesting invertebrates. Scientists think that invertebrates, animals with backbones, make up only 3% of all species. The remaining 97% of animal species known to scientists are invertebrates, animals without backbones. Sazima's tarantula had a special beauty. Its dark blue body almost glows. This fantastic aranid had a limited habitat. It only lived high in the mountains of Brazil. Discovered in 2013 in South America, this new type of planthopper looks strange. This wild hair isn't hair at all. When enemy attacked, the hair breaks off and the planthopper can jump to safety. That's what scientists think anyway, but they aren't sure. Underwater wonders. Scientists found that Gorgon's head starfish in 2010 in the Atlantic Ocean. The Gorgon's head, a type of basket star, has 5 arms that split off from its body. The 5 arms have as many as 5,000 tips. The tips help it find food floating by in the water. It also uses its arms to walk along the ocean bottom and to protect itself. It took until 2013 to find a walking bamboo shark. Like most sharks, it is no threat to humans. It lived off the coast of Indonesia. Scientists found it because the colors on its back are different from those of other sharks. This new species uses its fins to push itself along the ocean floor in search of food. The wiggling movement makes it look as though the shark is walking. Hiding in plain view. For more than 100 years, scientists thought the uligito was another species. In 2013, they discovered that they had been wrong. The Ulukutu leaped through trees at night, the smallest member of the raccoon family. It can be found in South America. In 2009, researchers found the Cambodian telebird. Tests showed that this telebird was a new species. Scientists also studied the bird's song. While all telebirds sing, no two species sound the same. Sure enough, the song of the Cambodian telebird is different from all the rest. What's next? Scientists continue to amaze us by finding new species. Experts agree that many more have yet to be found. Many of these newly found species are in danger of dying out. Finding them means we can help save their homes. Doing this can save the animals that live there, both those we know about and those who don't know about yet. Here's some new words you can learn from this book. We have arachnid, a living thing that has 2 body segments and 8 eggs, includes spiders and scorpions. Endangered is in danger of dying out completely. Habitat is the natural environment of the plant or animal. Remote is distant or isolated. Scientists is the people who study one or more fields of science. Species is a group of living things that are physically similar and can reproduce. So now it's time for
Good job.
the quiz. So we have 11 questions, including one that need to be written. Readers about animals' habitats to inform readers about animal discoveries. In the introduction, each year, finding a new species is an important discovery. What does the word remote mean? Distant or isolated? Following the few quadruped monkeys, so the species is endangered. Endangered means danger of dying out. Wait, question number 4. What does the Sasimus tarua have in common with the planthopper? Invertebrate? Would you expect finding on new frog discoveries? Fabulous frogs. What the connection between newly discovered species and extinct species? By discovering these new species and learning about them. The purpose of persuading readers. Glossary.
Wow, you passed.
Click on the items with the red X and
Wait. I'm sorry, D is the correct answer.
You're amazing. A perfect